Hey friends, if you wish to change the default download location, the default download folder in the Opera browser, then please watch this video. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar and open the Opera browser. On the list on the left bottom corner, you'll find these three dots. Click on them, scroll down and then select settings. And now search for the word download. And then you can scroll down and there now you'll find the location here. You can click on change and then you can select the default download location to something else. Click on select folder and it has been changed. You can also check whether you want to be prompted before every download or not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.